Why is my HVAC system making a popping sound? A popping sound usually means the metal ducts or parts are expanding and shrinking as the system heats or cools, but it can also point to airflow problems, loose parts, or a dirty filter. When your heating or cooling turns on, the metal inside the system gets warmer or colder very fast, and metal changes size a tiny bit when that happens. That tiny change can make a pop, click, or knock sound, kind of like when a soda can changes shape in your hand. If the sound happens right when the system starts or stops, it is often just normal metal movement in the ducts. But if the popping is loud, happens all the time, or comes with weak airflow, that can mean air is being pushed too hard through bent, blocked, or poorly sized ducts. A dirty air filter can make the blower work harder and create pressure that makes ducts flex and pop. Loose duct straps, panels, or registers can also shake and snap as air moves through them. One thing many people do not know is that long duct runs can act like a giant drum, so a small movement inside can sound much louder in another room. A good first step is to change the filter. Listen for when the noise starts and check whether it happens only during startup or shutdown. If the sound keeps getting louder, a technician should look for pressure problems, loose metal, or a failing blower. A common mistake is ignoring the sound because the system still works, but small duct or airflow problems can turn into bigger repair costs later. A simple tip is to note whether the pop happens once, only at startup, or many times during a run. Another mistake is using the wrong filter, because a filter that is too thick or too restrictive can strain the system and make the ducts flex more than they should. Try a filter that matches the equipment instructions exactly. People also assume every popping sound means the furnace is about to fail, but many times it is just normal expansion noise, especially in colder weather. If you smell burning, notice a gas smell, or hear popping with banging, turn the system off and get it checked right away. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.